What is going on, Ive Warriors? It's your boy Edward V, and I came across this video, and the title of this video is literally titled, "I drink this 3 times a day to lose belly fat fast. No diet, no exercise, stomach fat burner drink." And this video has 2.5 million views. We have to talk about this. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, so nothing against this person, but this video is a video that I've seen in some way, shape, or form in other, with other people. Other people have done videos in this fashion. Oh, drink this and it's a stomach fat burner, and no exercise, no diet, no thinking, no breathing, no moving. If you stand still and still drink this, you will lose a lot of weight. And I think, did they put, she didn't put exactly how much she lost, or didn't define how much she lost using this drink. But basically what the drink is that it is lemon, ginger, and a cinnamon stick. She boils it, and then they go ahead and drain it. They take the cinnamon stick out, they save it for later. You can add any type of sweetener you like. She adds raw honey on a spoon, and she also adds hot pepper, and she says that you can add cayenne pepper or however you want to do this. And she says to drink this before your first meal and throughout the day for hydration and best results. This is These kind of videos bother me because they're incredibly over the top misleading. And this one is incredibly egregious in my opinion because nothing is stated. There's no studies are talked about in reference to this drink that is her special recipe. There's no there's no science that is touched on. And the reason that there's no studies or science touched on this is because this thing absolutely does not exist. You cannot not diet and not exercise and not do anything and just do whatever you want and drink this drink. Now, if her point of this video is to say that this drink creates a certain feeling of nausea or a certain feeling of suppressing appetite, making you eat less, then that's what has to be stated. It isn't a fat burning drink where the drink has a metabolic effect in your body and it actually burns more fat than if you did not drink the drink. This is just another version of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, through studies, has been shown to simply create a nausea effect that makes it harder for you to eat more. So if you drink apple cider vinegar right before a meal, you might eat less, or if you don't want to eat anything, you could drink apple cider vinegar because you've already eaten, and it'll create a nausea effect that would just simply make you not want to eat something else. And if that's the case with this drink, which is possible, it's a lemon drink with cinnamon and ginger and stuff like that, it may give you some sort of a feeling of not wanting to eat, a slight nausea effect, then great. Just say that. What ends up happening is that this can kind of trick people to believe that drinking this drink will create a metabolic effect in their bodies to burn more fat. And that is 100% not true. As a matter of fact, even if she went on the premise that, which she doesn't do that in the video, but even if she went on the premise that it creates a nausea effect, that it creates an effect of making you feel that you do not want to eat, that is still subjective to the person who is consuming it. You can consume that drink and it does nothing for you. Now, one of the reasons why I was somewhat conflicted in making this video is because if you drink this and it doesn't really do anything for you, there should be no harm, no foul. But because the fitness industry is riddled with things like this, there is a harm and there is a foul. And the harm and foul is people's disinterest in even trying to achieve their goals of becoming healthier, because they feel that she just stated that this will make me burn belly fats and it's a stomach fat burner with no diet and no exercise and the belly fat loss fast 3 times a day. I'm doing it and it doesn't work. Nothing will ever work for me. It works for her, it works for my best friend, but why not for me? And I don't want people thinking that. That's why this channel will always be studies based, scientific research first, before anything gets talked about on this channel in any capacity. And I felt the need to address this type of video because this is not the only video of this type that exists. There are other videos that have 9 million views that are claiming the same thing: how to lose belly fat in 3 days, super fast, no diet, no exercise. So I needed to address this video, and hopefully for the viewers of this channel, it helps you to divert you away or avoid wasting your time and creating a certain level of depression when doing something that doesn't have a metabolic effect in your body. And the most you can get is possible nausea or feeling of not wanting to eat as much or not wanting to eat at all. That's really what you can expect from drinks like this. Hopefully this video has helped you guys. Patreons will be pinned in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.